Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Sentry to capture front-end errors in React, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect Sentry and capture front-end errors in React, start by creating a Sentry account. Once you're logged into Sentry, create a new project. Select JavaScript as the platform. Now, choose React from the list of options. Sentry will provide you with a DSN, which you'll need later. Open your React project in your code editor. Install the Sentry dependency by running the following command in your terminal. Use npm or yarn, depending on your project setup. For npm, type npm install at sentry/react at sentry/tracing. For yarn, type yarn add at sentry/react at sentry/tracing. Next, import Sentry in your main entry file, typically index.js or app.js. Add the following import statement at the top, import asterisk as Sentry from at sentry/react. Now, initialize Sentry by calling the sentry.init method. Pass in an object with your DSN and any additional configurations. Make sure to set traces sample rate for performance monitoring. A good starting point is 0.2, representing 20% of transactions. Wrap your application component with Sentry.error boundary. This will help catch any errors in the React component tree. Place it around your main app component for better error handling. To test the integration, you can force an error in one of your components. Add a button that throws an error when clicked. In the button's on-click handler, you can use throw new error, testing Sentry error. After you've set this up, run your React application. Now, click the button to trigger the error you just added. Check your Sentry dashboard to see if the error was captured. Congratulations, you have successfully connected Sentry to your React application. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.